Behind every mining machine and its processes is a disposable filter. These filters are responsible for collecting debris and contamination from fluids like oil. Most mining vehicles, machines, and equipment have at least one disposable filter, resulting in substantial waste. However, magnetic filtration technology is changing that.
We've combined a cleanable stainless cloth mesh rather than a paper or a fiberglass or a tapered polymer media. The result is it's easy to clean, it's absolute rated, so it's very efficient. And we combined inside that our magnetic patented technology that allows us to filter down to submicron.
This process allows the filter of ferrous and non-ferrous contaminants.
When you buy brand new oil, it has ferrous contamination. You buy your gasoline, you buy your diesel fuel. This product has run through miles and miles of pipeline before it got into your plastic can. So as soon as you put that into your engine, into your hydraulics, into your gearboxes, you are putting in an abrasive that's going to shorten the life of whatever you're using.
Companies from around the world are jumping on board and educating themselves on the importance of magnetic filtration. But getting the word out was a slow start.
You know, that's hard to believe. Well, we've been doing this for 30 years and it's doing fine for us, or they don't admit that they have these problems. It's just the cost of doing business. Now, if you convince them that there's a cheaper way of doing business, you've got yourself sales.
Companies are being held more accountable by the Canadian government for turning over information about the disposal of potentially environmentally harmful products. However, residue from every disposable filter can transfer into our groundwater.
And if you can imagine, absorbed in that paper media, you have at least 4 to 6 ounces of oil. So here we're screaming to get oil out of the ground. In one instance, we're putting it back in the ground. The other damaging aspect is it starts contaminating our groundwater, our ground itself.
Every year, 1 billion disposable filters end up in our landfill across North America. With magnetic filtration, this minimizes disposal and collects contaminants, being part of the solution instead of the problem. For Shaw TV, I'm Lisa Wolanski.